We used to live with the water. You know, the water is life. The people who comes here, they came here because the water was founded here. This is the place in which was my house, which I was born in it here. The oasis behind the house, about 100 meters.
It must have been a wonderful childhood to be so close to it.
It's a very, very wonderful time. My father was living in Zarqa, and he used to breed buffaloes in his country, in Chechnya. So he preferred to come here and to establish this village to breed the buffaloes here in Azraq because of the oasis here. Yeah, because there is enough water for buffaloes, for animals. They can live here and they can depend on this oasis in their life. This place was in this, what we see in this picture.
And how did it feel for you to watch this wetland, which had existed for thousands of years, get pumped dry, literally pumped dry in a decade?
Oh, it's disaster. As I feel that I lost everything and no life in Azraq after that. What happened? Everything disappeared because of pumping water to the cities in Amman and Zarqa. Also, they established very large, big farms here in Azraq. They pump water to their farms, so all the water disappeared. Everything became as a desert here. We lost the trees, we lost the plants, we lost the birds, we lost everything here.
So water here in Jordan is scarcer than almost any other country in the world. Do you think that the way water is managed today, there will be enough water for people in the future?
If we continue in the same way that we are treating the water here by pumping water, too much water to cities and pumping too much water to the farms, the disaster is coming. So we need a good public awareness and we need a good decision makers' strategic plan to manage the water in the future in Azraq. When we lost the water, no life more in Azraq area.
For anybody, not for people, not for animals.
Not for people, not for animals, not for the biodiversity. Everything will disappear from this area in the future.